Hello, everyone. An ungeneralized humanoid robot. What would be the effective ratio of humanoid robots to humans? Because I think basically everyone would want one, and then maybe people would want more than one actual demand for something like Optimus. As I don't know, I mean 10 billion units. It's some crazy number robots that learn, adapt, and may soon become an integral part of our daily lives. But here's the twist: these aren't your ordinary robots. They're the brainchild of none other than Elon Musk's Tesla. Today, we're delving deep into the mesmerizing world of the Tesla Optimus bot. From its incredible learning capabilities to its vision-based AI approach, the Optimus prototype is rewriting the rules of robotics as we know them. But the real question is, are we on the brink of a technological breakthrough that will redefine the way we live and work? Join us as we unravel the enigma, check out what's possible, and see what the future holds. Before we start, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to Tesla Stock News. In this episode, we'll go into detail about the Tesla Optimus bot, its amazing features, the vision behind it, and what it could mean for all of us in the near future. Without further ado, let's begin this electrifying journey into the world of the Tesla Optimus bot. This is Tesla Optimus, and the exciting news is that a wave of these amazing robots will be coming to factories near you very soon. The manufacturing landscape is undergoing a seismic shift, and 2024 is going to be remembered as the year of the Tesla bot. While Tesla hasn't quite brought Star Wars C-3PO to life, the December 2023 demo video showed an electrifying find out about the Optimus Gen 2. This video showed a robot that walks 30% faster and smoother than its predecessor. It has articulated toe sections that make it walk like a human, and it has lost 10 kilograms. Its new neck has 2-axis rotation capabilities, and its brand new arms have 11 joints that can operate at higher speeds thanks to Tesla-designed actuators. The piece de resistance is the addition of precise tactile sensing in all of its fingers, which allows for delicate and precise hand control. It amazed viewers by effortlessly picking up an egg and putting it in an egg holder, a feat that Moore's paradox says is very hard to do. We'll talk more about this marvel soon. All of these amazing improvements are housed in a sleek Gen 2 body that Tesla says is much better balanced and has much better full body control. Watch how easily it squats as a gentle lesson not to skip leg day at the gym. A big feature of the year for Tesla was their move to making actuators in-house, which they emphasized in March. They chose to make these complicated parts themselves instead of buying them off the shelf. Parts was due to the fact that Optimus Gen 1 performed so much better than the 2020 debut model. The Bumblebee actuators are the important parts that turn input data into the force needed for different movements, like the fineness of the Tesla bot's fingers or its legs. In these brief times when we see the robot's neck and fingers working, Tesla really shines. The subtitles tell us that the neck joint can move 2 degrees and that the fingers can move at 11 degrees. The latter shows an amazing level of articulation, with the fingers moving so smoothly that the video's creators had to say it wasn't computer-generated and hadn't been sped up. But the most mind-boggling technological marvel isn't just in the actuators, it's in Tesla's innovative way of giving their robots tactile sensitivity. In the last few seconds of the video, we see Optimus carefully handling eggs while showing sensors in its fingers. Traditionally, robots have handled fragile objects using predefined force parameters or soft grippers with suction. Tesla went in a more human-like direction. They seem to have created a pressure sensor system that lets Optimus feel the item it's holding and figure out exactly how much force is needed in those high-tech new actuators. This method is similar to how people interact with objects, using the feedback from their fingers to judge things like shape, texture, and give on a surface. It then uses this data to decide what force to use when manipulating the object, which is exactly how Optimus was designed to work back in March when Gen 1 was unveiled. The presenters at Tesla put a lot of stress on the robot's learning algorithms. In September, Optimus was caught on camera sorting blocks. The instructions were clear: sort them by color, but how to do it wasn't part of the instructions. Details about this tactile sensing technology are still unknown. It could be a proprietary innovation that could be used in the robot's feet to help it evaluate walking surfaces in a way similar to how humans do it. Elon Musk's reveal of the Tesla bot in August 2021 set a visionary goal to make a bipedal autonomous humanoid robot that could do a lot of different tasks. Elon Musk showed off cutting-edge artificial intelligence in motion during a live presentation in his own car, which, interestingly, didn't record any accidents, at least none that were caught on camera. Unlike most self-driving cars, which use bigger sensors, the FSD system mostly relies on video recordings from the car's cameras. The system analyzes this video footage instead of sensor data, which explains the noticeable difference. Add-ons for cars made by other companies like Waymo and Cruise, on the other hand, Tesla cars have a normal look. Using this method on a robot has a lot of benefits. Instead of carefully programming the exact angles that the arms and legs need to do certain jobs, the AI can just watch and learn from what it sees. The bot needs to be closely watched because it doesn't have access to the huge amount of video data that Tesla cars do. However, with enough time, data, and use, big improvements are possible because people outnumber cars by a factor of 5. Just like Tesla cars, the system gets better the longer it runs. Ideally, the Tesla bot would have the physical strength of an Atlas, which leads to inevitable comparisons based on Elon's claims. But there is a fundamental difference. Elon's robot was designed to work only with AI, but Atlas still needs a lot on machine learning and input from smart engineers. This difference has a big effect on the equation. Building a robot is not easy, especially when the goal is to make it do things that humans do. At its core lies the Mork paradox, basically says that when it comes to robots and machines that try to do human things, simple tasks are very hard, while complex ones are relatively easier. For example, a robot may be great at complicated tasks like figuring out the exact force needed to move a butt a certain distance, but it may struggle with seemingly simple perception-based tasks like sitting down in a chair. Think about the things you do almost without thinking. Those are the things that robots find the hardest. This comes down to how robots have been built traditionally up until now. For example, Boston Dynamics Atlas relies a lot on machine learning, so it needs to be taught by giving it a starting place and an end goal. Letting the robot figure out the best route, it's important to note that programming the robot with multiple possible paths is still necessary. It then chooses the most efficient one based on given parameters. This method is impressive, but it takes a lot of time and has some problems. However, as we already said, the Tesla bot takes a different approach. It uses an AI-powered neural network and a vision-based system to understand and learn from the world. This makes it much more flexible and useful in a wide range of unplanned situations, giving it a big edge over its competitors. It took the Boston Dynamics Atlas 10 years to learn how to dance, do parkour, and do simple tasks. The Optimus bot, on the other hand, has learned to walk, sort blocks by color, and do simple tasks. Place eggs in about 2 years. It's likely that this rate of progress will continue, especially since Tesla's AI-centered strategy. Additionally, Tesla is responsible to its investors, and Elon Musk's statement that this venture could surpass their automotive business creates a strong incentive to bring it to market, using Tesla's network of gigafactories to leverage its extensive experience in large-scale manufacturing. This challenge seems manageable. However, the idea of robots outnumbering humans is a disturbing one, while the chances of an AI robot takeover are still very low. It is not entirely non-existent. Hollywood chs out movies on the subject annually. Nonetheless, Elon Musk has vocally asserted that these bots pose no threat, ultimately steering clear of any Terminator scenarios. The Optimus bot's top speed caps at 5 miles per hour, making it outer-runnable, and the new Gen 2 weighs about 50 kilograms, rendering it physically overpowered. In fact, Boston are profound. While it continues to evoke a sense of trepidation, there's no escaping the inexorable truth. The era of the bots is imminent, and that's it. There you have it, guys. Today, we ventured into the fascinating world of robotics, exploring the remarkable advancements made by the Tesla Optimus bot and its potential to reshape our future. From its rapid learning abilities to its vision-based AI approach, the Optimus prototype is definitely a game-changer. Now, here are some questions for you, our valued viewers. How do you feel about the idea of humanoid robots becoming a part of our everyday lives? Are you excited about the possibilities they bring, or do they make you nervous? What tasks do you think these robots could do that would be so much easier with them? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Before we end, Please show your support for Tesla stock news by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.